According to 2021 statistics, more than 50% of men believe that they're not liked by others. And more than 80% of people think they have low self-esteem. Some people are always in the limelight and are incredibly likable while some aren't. Unfortunately, some people always struggle to get noticed, and that might include you also. You might feel alone in a large group of people or have persistent thoughts. Why do people not like me, or how to make friends? It's unsurprising because not everyone in the world is going to like you. But it can also be some of your personality traits such as selfishness, entitlement, or ego that might make people dislike you. If you think you have any of these personality flaws that repel people, then it's time to change yourself. In this video, we're going to share with you 10 personality traits that can help you change your life. Make sure to watch until number 2, because it's one of the most powerful personality traits we've ever seen. Number 10, courage. Among all the famous personalities of the world, one trait is found in common, and that's courage. Many people are afraid of something in their lives, and this makes them cowardly in front of other people. On the other hand, people who face every situation with bravery are more likable. Your fear might be the answer to your question, why people don't like me. You might be afraid of coming out of your comfort zone and facing a difficult situation, or you might avoid social interactions because you can't face criticism. These traits only repel people around you. So, the first thing you should do is to build confidence and face your fears. Don't let your fears hold you back from your progress. Step out of your comfort zone, identify your strengths, and take courageous decisions. This may help improve your public relations and widen your social circle. Number 9, focus. Experts suggest that a person must have 5 personality traits to achieve a challenging target in their life. These personality traits include perseverance, persistence, passion, patience, and on top of them, focus. Focusing on a single goal reduces uncertainty in one's life. Some people always care about others' opinions. They can never take any decision on their own. This might affect their self-confidence and divert their focus. If you also can't focus on your goals due to others' opinions, this might be the reason why people don't like you. So instead of relying on others, you should set your goals and stay focused until you achieve them, because a single-minded focus can drive you to achieve the impossible. Also, distinguish between what you actually want and what is distracting you. It's one of the best things you can do to change your life and make new friends. Number 8, selflessness. People never like a person who always tries to control others and act selfishly. Selfishness is the worst personality trait that makes a person loathsome. Selflessness, on the other hand, is considered a central trait of a good personality. An individual whose first concern is to help those doing the most critical work or those who are struggling through their lives is always loved by the people. In fact, selflessness is considered a personality trait of true leaders. Being selfless isn't so easy. Nobody fights for others' interests as everyone wants to achieve the best for themselves. In such a selfish world, being a selfless person means no one can stop you from winning others' hearts and becoming popular. People who care for others are also humble, courageous, respectful, generous, trustworthy, and caring. This means that selflessness is the key to gaining popularity that may last forever. Number 7, admit to your faults. It's normal for every human to make mistakes. You're also a human and you can make mistakes. But if you become rude and refuse to accept these mistakes, you may repel people close to you. No one likes an adamant person who never takes responsibility for their actions. Such people always blame others for their actions. On the other hand, people who do not only admit to their faults but also figure out the ways to manage their mistakes are the actual heroes. In fact, leaders who hold themselves accountable are the successful ones. They not only admit their wrongdoings but also learn from them. They know the fact that to err is human. So if you're wondering how to get people to like me, start admitting your faults. Admitting your faults is also a sign of maturity. It can help you earn more respect and build a relationship of trust with others. People can easily trust you because you're the one who never blames others, acknowledges your mistakes, and is open to suggestions. You're the one who never looks down on others. Number 6, positive attitude. Are you the person who never wants to struggle but instead complains about the difficulties of life? If yes, this might be the reason why people don't like you. No one wants to listen to a person who always moans and adds a burden to their lives. It's easy to complain about your fortune, but it takes courage to take steps to improve your life. You should set up your goal and strive for the best, but before that, you should have a positive attitude towards life. Understand your strengths, make plans, create a solution to your problems, and make uplifting statements to encourage yourself. This is the first step to taking control of your life and becoming lovable again. A positive attitude not only improves your social life, but can also help you feel better emotionally. So why not become a person who can make something happen rather than become a victim? By the way, make sure to subscribe if you learned something new today. Number 5, active listening. Talking too much and never listening to others is one of the biggest turnoffs for people. Nobody wants to get interrupted while talking. Everyone wants to be heard and convey their message without any interruption. Therefore, cutting off the conversation and criticizing other people only devalues you in front of them. So if you want people to like you, be an active listener. Active listening means focusing and understanding what others are trying to say. Avoid interruption and let them finish their point. Respond to them appropriately, provide feedback, and encourage their prospect. Active listeners tend to be more focused, build strong relationships, and process information better. Number 4, truthfulness. Do you think that an individual who's a liar, who dodges other people and manipulates others for their benefit would be liked by society? Of course not, as nobody wants to get trapped. Liars have no respect in society due to their crime of violating people's trust. On the other hand, truthful people are considered mature and loyal. Truthfulness is a personality trait that boosts one's confidence and makes one dauntless. Such people accept their flaws and never care what others think of them. They've nothing to hide. That's why they've clear and strong relationships with other people. They never brag and try to impress others. They know how to make friends. In fact, people become their fans due to their honesty. In a nutshell, truthfulness makes their life less complicated, and they can easily enjoy all its beautiful colors. That's why such people are always considered irreplaceable in society. Number 3, perseverance. There are times in life when it feels that everything around you is falling to pieces. You're trying hard, but your efforts are useless. Everyone faces this situation, but the thing that may separate you from others is perseverance. Perseverance means persistence in the course of action despite all the difficulties and delays. This is one of the important qualities possessed by the world's great leaders. Perseverance is the ability to support your ideas and never give up. The persistent efforts to attain your goals can help you become mentally stronger and patient. People who practice perseverance are less likely to face failure. This may take some time, but at the end of the day, they'll reach the point where their dreams will turn into reality. According to the experts of Harvard Business Review, it's easy to quit, but one should never do so as failure can lead us to places nearer to our destination. So try to be persistent in your life as sustained efforts lead to mastery. Number 2, self-discipline. Self-discipline means self-control, which helps you balance all your tasks and excel in every field of life. Self-discipline pushes you to perform challenging tasks, enhance your performance, and accomplish your dreams. According to research, students with strong self-discipline are more competent and careful in performing their tasks, which enhances their performance. Self-discipline is a powerful tool that helps you to set tough goals, and then regularly monitor your progress to motivate yourself. Once mastered, this personality trait may never let you down. Self-discipline helps you to stay on track, control your actions, and stay focused. Courage, focus, positive attitude, and self-discipline are the major personality traits that can help you outdo everybody else in every field of your life and get extra care and love from other people. In fact, these traits may help you make friends easily in your life. Number 1, loyalty. Loyalty is the best quality a person can possess. People never want a disloyal person around them. A disloyal person is someone with narcissistic tendencies. Such people always try to please themselves. They never ask the question, why don't people like me? Or how to get people to like me. They're unreliable as they help no one. So how can anyone trust such people? Loyalty, on the other hand, makes a person confident about their relationship. Such people always try to protect their loved ones and therefore can earn more respect in society. They always invest in their relationships and reciprocate the love received from others. Loyalty gives them a positive outlook on life that makes them trustworthy. So if you want to know how to get people to like you, practice loyalty. This can help you improve your public relations and gain popularity. And if you liked this video, then check out these related videos to see more. And make sure to like this video to let the algorithm know that you'd like to see more videos like these.